be again welcome here because we are all present here. We are all from evangelist team here today, and we will be tomorrow. Please join us tomorrow at the end of the event to talk directly with you, to answer questions that you have to address to us. Now, my agenda for today is to talk about mobility, and I'm not gonna define mobility as we see it, and probably you saw the presentations that Richard and team showed that to us today. And they started to define it and the way it evolved. But I'm gonna define it in a way that we as developers understand that and how we make money on it. And it's a very important thing to understand how we make money on mobility today. The trick here is that it's not so simple to go and be mobile, and we'll talk about that too, but in some situations it can be. Now, of course, mobility today can be, we can talk about mobility also in Microsoft ecosystem. And here are things that I will try to present to you as a best practices, how you can attack this ecosystem to make sure that you are doing the right way. And then go-dos, my recommendations for you, because for at least 1.5 years, I've been working with big companies in Romania, big brands, consumer brands, and also software companies that are doing software that is very scalable to many consumers, but in the same time for many businesses. And from this point of view, I'd like to start of defining the mobility as the partners are seeing that, using a report that Vision Mobile is issuing at least 2 times a year. One of them is called Cross-Platform Tools, and the second one that was delivered to developers to the whole market in January this year. It's called Developer Economics. And these 2 reports combined can present you the real situations of the current market of mobile world. Now, what's important here to start with is that this report was done in the regions of the world where people have money to invest in such things. People of the world where they pay for applications, they pay for services. And very important thing to say here, as you can see, South America, for example, is represented by only 4% of people that participated in this report, is because only today companies and hardware vendors are trying to tackle those markets because people don't have money to invest $500 in a specific device. And if you've seen presentations on Firefox OS, for example, you'll understand what I'm talking about, because you'll see that in those markets, we will have specific devices, specific platforms that will be available sooner or later to address those markets.